What is driving on a suspended license after a DWI VTL Section 511, AUO? Being charged with driving on a suspended license after a DWI is far more serious than most people realize. This offense is known as aggravated unlicensed operation, or AUO, and it is a crime rather than a mere traffic violation. Driving while your license is suspended due to a DWI can lead to heavy fines, jail time, and a lasting criminal record. An AUO charge begins with a valid license suspension, and such suspensions happen quickly after a DWI arrest. New York's Prompt Suspension Law, VTL Section 1193, 2E7, requires judges to suspend a defendant's license at arraignment when the person is charged with driving while intoxicated and the prosecution presents a certified chemical test showing a blood alcohol level of 0.08% or more. This pre-conviction suspension takes effect immediately and remains in place while the case is pending. Defendants may request a Pringle hearing to challenge the state's evidence. Separate from the criminal case, a refusal to submit to a chemical test triggers an administrative hearing, and if the refusal is upheld, the driver's license is revoked for 1 year regardless of the outcome of the DWI. These parallel procedures mean that people arrested for DWI can lose their driving privileges immediately, and driving before the case is resolved can lead to a new criminal charge under VTL Section 511. Aggravated unlicensed operation comes in 3 degrees. AUO in the 3rd degree occurs when a person knowingly drives on a public highway while their license is suspended, revoked, or withdrawn. It is a misdemeanor punishable by fines and up to 30 days in jail, and a conviction leaves a permanent criminal record. AUO in the 2nd degree is a higher-level misdemeanor that applies when the basic offense is combined with aggravating factors such as multiple suspensions or a suspension arising from alcohol-related conduct. This charge carries larger fines and longer potential jail time. AUO in the 1st degree is the most severe form. It is a Class E felony that arises when a person commits AUO in the 2nd degree under extreme circumstances, including driving while suspended for a DWI-related reason and being arrested again for driving under the influence. A conviction can lead to substantial fines, a prison sentence of up to 4 years, and a permanent felony record. After a DWI conviction, some individuals may obtain a conditional license by enrolling in New York's Impaired Driver Program. The Department of Motor Vehicles may then allow driving for specific purposes, such as going to work or classes. This limited privilege is not a full restoration of driving rights. Driving for any other reason violates the license and results in its immediate revocation. Driving under the influence while holding a conditional license is considered AUO in the 1st degree, a felony. The formal penalties for AUO are only part of what makes this charge so serious. Under VTL Section 511C, police may seize and permanently forfeit a motor vehicle used in a felony AUO, and owners must prove the vehicle was used without their knowledge or consent to get it back. A conviction for AUO creates a permanent criminal record that can affect employment, housing, credit, and even immigration status. People convicted of AUO related to a DWI suspension often face higher insurance premiums or cancellation of their policies. Because of these lasting consequences, it is crucial to work with an experienced attorney. A knowledgeable DWI lawyer understands the prompt suspension law, Pringle hearings, and the varying degrees of AUO and can work to protect your driving privileges. Suffolk County DWI lawyer Jason Bassett has defended clients facing DWI-related suspensions and AUO charges. The law offices of Jason Bassett, PC, combine legal knowledge and a commitment to justice. For help with driving on a suspended license after a DWI, contact this law firm at 631-259-6060 or visit their office at 320 Carleton Avenue, number 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722 to schedule a confidential consultation.